One thing I love about reviewing products is I really am a big fan of presentation. These TREBLAB WX8 wireless earpods are just absolutely fantastic. This company, manufactured in the USA, this is an American company. I'm so impressed with how they present their packages. I mean, a lot of people have learned from Apple and other, stellar companies that make the best products in the world, and TREBLAB is no different. And so this beautiful capsule, these awesome audio, powerful wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They come with a microphone too, so you can actually use this for conversations, for talks, for video conferencing. Comes with an easy, quick startup guide. I love the ability and the accessibility that they give you with support and contact. The user's manual is very, very easy to follow. I was really amazed by this sort of waterproof design. It's very sleek. It's very durable. It has that kind of sense when you hold it that it's really just made with the utmost of craftsmanship and quality and care. It also comes with this little box. I'm going to show you what's inside this. So this is a complete unboxing and review. It also comes with this cool USB for charging, as well as extra earbud plugs right there. Cozy, ergonomic, great sound. I love the fact that it comes with its own charging USB cable, USB-C as a matter of fact. Store 4 charges in each case. The battery life here is phenomenal. I'm really, really I'm impressed with the extended battery coverage. Comes with this awesome Bluetooth wireless charging case, which, TREBLAB just does a really, really great job of presenting this and really creating this. I'm really, really impressed. I'm a huge avid walker, hiker. I play tennis, I ride my bike, and so I'm always constantly using my, listening to my Spotify, listening to my podcast, listening to my favorite playlists and my favorite music. So having that comfortability coupled with efficiency, care, quality, and design is really, really important to me. And so these earbuds are just some of the best that I've seen. I'm not even just saying that. This is not a sponsored post by any stretch of the imagination. I was really amazed at how well they were put together and how well they sounded. It also has 3 sizes of silicone tips to create that custom fit. It has a powerful base, which I was really surprised with. And this cool capsule right here, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the ear really quickly. But right away, you want to talk about turnkey. Right out of the box, it was super easy to turn on. It came charged 28 hours, up to 28 hours of power that you can get. And it just charges in 1 hour. Like I said, you can use this in the rain. Actually, it kind of claims that you could be submerged up to 3 feet in the pool or shower, which is really, really cool. So they're water resistant, waterproof. Super, super impressed with these. Let me show you how comfortable they look inside your actual ear and how easy they fit. I'm going to show my son, who's going to actually be wearing these. And there you go right there. They fit perfectly in my son's ear. My son's 12 years old, so he would be considered, a grown-up for that matter. But absolutely love these. Highly, highly recommend. It's a fantastic company, and it's just super easy. Touch control, multifunctional. Cannot say enough about these.